our small talk feature video for February 2010, to be or not to be audited. Lately, with the flow of information on the World Wide Web and the ever-changing technological environment, audits seem to be on the increase. Not having worked in other practices, I guess that an audit rate of less than 1% of our client base is not too bad. However, with the use of computers, the Tax Office's Information Management Systems, m.a.s, which updates your tax return details before you lodge your returns, and the use of internet and email facilities, it is clear that the Australian Taxation Office can devote more time to targeting problem areas for audits. What does this mean to you, the taxpayer? To sum it up, every small business should expect to be audited at some point in its life. Hi, and welcome back. I assume that you just picked yourself up from the floor, as the last comment probably made you pass out from fear. The fact is, most of you have little to worry about. After all, an audit can prove beneficial if the facts are in favour of the taxpayer. Audits are not a one-sided event. Most audits of the recent past have been GST related and all have proven successful for our clients. However, there have been some difficult audits of late, and even though additional taxes were payable in these circumstances, there were some reductions allowed by the ATO because of the mistakes in calculations or applications of the law. Yes, the ATO does make mistakes. There, I've said it, and no one has put a hit on me yet. Seriously though, the staff at the ATO are as human as all of us. And yes, they do make mistakes. And when pointed out to them, they correct them as well. However, they start with the mistake and base the amended tax payable on those mistakes. Without a tax agent to point them out, the taxpayer pays more tax than they should, and not just what they should. Look, audits are simple. You need to be mindful that you pay no more than the law requires. However, quite often, the trick is proving how much to pay. Good record keeping is a big key to getting it right. Ensure that the information is processed on a tax basis, and when you record the information, give all the details. It is best to pay the right tax first time than to get caught out with deliberate mistakes, or even honest ones. The only way to get it right is to give and keep all information pertaining to your tax return for the tax time preparation. Don't make claims for which you have no records. Do not use estimates unless the tax law permits them to be used, and always remember, it's not always the other bloke that gets audited. It could be you.